Sir, what are the 3 core values that you have for young professionals? 3 most important things, the advice that you give for young leaders, managers, or any
For a
professional.
manager, for a leader, for a person, for anyone, first thing you should understand is trust in yourself. If you trust that you can do something, you can do wonders. If the belief in you is the primary thing which makes you to act, which makes you to get, which makes you to do things in a way as you like. Therefore, that is important. If that is not there, without your trust in yourself, you cannot achieve anything. Therefore, trust in yourself is main thing. Second is hard work. Never hesitate. Only hard work alone paves the matter. I'll say a small example. I was a lawyer in Mofussil Court. From Trichy, I shifted to Chennai. At that point of time, the then Chief Minister made me the gown pleader, additional gown pleader. In a particular case, when I was arguing, which is again Act 31 of 76, which is a case for the Harijan Welfare Department, where the land acquisition case, a recent judgment is just 2 days prior to the case, which has come in Supreme Court. In those days, we didn't have internet, we didn't have anything, computers. Therefore, when the argument was started, the other side, a very senior counsel who was appearing at Doyen of the Bar, said all these matters are covered by the Supreme Court judgment. It was a batch case of 368 cases. Therefore, in 1 minute, the matter has to be over. Then I said in the public court, my lord, I have not read that judgment. The learned senior counsel said, this is why the people from Mofussil should not come here, they do not read. Forgetting for a moment, he also was a gentleman who moved from another city to Madras. But then the then judge, Honorable Justice Shivaraj Patel, as he then was, who later became the Supreme Court judge, said, here is a young lawyer who openly says he has not known the case. Let him read and come tomorrow. I got an order on that day. Then advocate, then gown pleader Mr. R. Kumar, later on who became advocate general also. We sat together in the late evening in the gown pleader office and went through all the 322 case papers one by one physically, because in the Supreme Court case there was a cut-off date. Out of the 322 cases, only 132 cases come within the cut-off date. The rest do not come under that date. Had I not gone into the case judgment and then gone into details, this would not have happened. Next day, the learned judge, as well as the advocate, said that we did not go into that. The learned judge clearly pointed out the additional gown pleader has burnt their night oil to bring a correct judgment of this court, and that is being written in that particular judgment. All this was possible because of hard work. But for the hard work, it would have been taken easy that the entire case comes under one particular category. Category wise was done. Therefore, why I'm saying this is, if you do a hard work, it will be definitely be rewarded. The second quality is the hard work. The third quality is total honesty in your work, total dedication in your work. With these 2 things, unless you inculcate from the beginning, then you cannot succeed. But if you have these qualities, 3 qualities, definitely anywhere, anytime, you can succeed in life.